Hey, good morning, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is Monday. Whoa, February. Are we still in February? February the 10th, 2025. Coming to you from mobile headquarters. Just got done with my daily walk. Solid 35 minutes. I'm in the same subdivision that's got these streets with some pretty big inclines. My hamstrings are screaming. But I feel good. And it's cold, by the way. It's 30 degrees. So I had a conversation with somebody the other day about my age. And this person said, well, I'm too old to learn that. It was a new skill. And I'm like, no, you're not. And they said, well, what's the expression? You can't teach an old dog new tricks. I'm like, man. I was trying to encourage this person. I'm like, that's not true. I'm like, all you need to do is put the time in to learn the skill, to read about the skill, to get excited about the skill that you're already excited about. So you'll just get more excited learning about this new skill, this new area. And I don't know, after a little bit of persuasion and perseverance, I kind of saw the light bulb go on in this person, and they're like, you know what, I think I could do this. And the advice I give to everybody when they're learning something new, I say, just take baby steps, just take bite-sized pieces, you know. There was a joke a million years ago when I was small, a young lad, and the joke was something like, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. Meaning, just kind of chip away. My dad would say, just chip away at something. Chip away, and no, he wasn't a lumberjack. But anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99, that's what I'm thinking today. You're never too old or young to learn a new skill, a new trade, TRADE, or whatever. You know, life's about living, not about not being challenged. Or anyhow, I'm getting off subject. Crypto Mentor 99, I'm freezing. Thanks for being a part of my crypto family. And yeah, glad I walked today. Love y'all. Bye-bye.